Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video we are going to solve the ICSE Mathematics Semester 1 2021 paper. So here the first question, if x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus kx square minus 5x plus 6, then find the value of k. So here your answer, that is 2. 2 is the right answer. Now next one, the solution of the inequation x minus 3 greater than equal to minus 5. X belongs to R. So here your answer, it's x greater than equal to minus 2. Okay, x greater than equal to minus 2. As here x minus 3 greater than equal to minus 5. So here x greater than equal to minus 5 plus 3. So definitely x greater than minus 2. Now the third one, the product AB of two matrices A and B is possible if the number of column of A is equal to the number of rows of B. That means option number B. That is your answer. Now next one, sum number 4. If 70, 75, 80, 85 are the first four terms of an arithmetic progression, then find the 10th term. Okay, 10th term means here you can apply the formula, that is A10, A10 equal to A plus 9D, and here A equal to 70, then 9 into here D equal to 5. So 70 plus 45, so 115, that is your answer. Okay, now number 5, the selling price of a shirt excluding GST is rupees 800. If the rate of the GST is 12%, then the total price of the shirt. So here the total price of the shirt will be 896. I hope you know the formula. You can find out. It's very easy problem. And the next one here, sum number 6. Which of the following quadratic equation has 2 and 3 as its root? So here your answer, x square minus 5x plus 6. That is the root. Here the equation has two roots, it 2 and 3. Okay, x square minus 5x plus 6, not the negative one. Okay, the positive plus 6. Now next one here, number 7. If x 5.459 are the proportion, then find out the value of x. Okay, are in proportion, that means here you can write down x by 5.4, that one equal to 5 by 9. So 9x is equal to here 5 into 5.4, then x equal to here 5 into 5.4 divided by 9. Okay, and here your answer is 3. Now next one, sum number 8. Mohit opened a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years. He deposited rupees 1000 every month and received 25,500 on maturity. The interest he earned in 2 years. So here your answer is 1500. That is option D. Okay, I know you know the formula of maturity. Just put down the value of here the deposit amount and the time, and here the interest. So you will get your answer. Next one, sum number 9. In the given figure, AB equal to 24, AC equal to here 18, DE equal to here 12 centimeter. Okay, DF equal to here 9 centimeter, and angle BAC is equal to EDF. Then the triangle ABC is similarity with triangle DEF by the condition, here your answer SAS. Okay, SAS, that is your answer. Now next one, sum number 10. If A equal to 5, 10, 3 minus 4 and I equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, then AI, it's always be the same matrix. That means here 5, 10, 3 minus 4. Option C. Option C is your answer. Now next one, sum number 11. The polynomial x cube minus 2x square plus ax plus 12 when divided by x plus 1 gives a remainder 20. Then a is equal to, so here your answer it's minus 11. Okay, minus 11 is your answer. Now the next one, in an arithmetic progression AP, if the first term is 5, common difference is minus 3 and the nth term is minus 7, then n is equal to, okay, nth term means here you can apply the formula a plus n minus 1 into d, and here the nth term minus 7, a equal to here 5, then n minus 1 and d equal to here minus 3. So you can easily find out the value of n, and from that here n equal to 5. That means A is your answer. Now 13, in the given figure PQ is parallel to TR, then by using the condition of similarity, here option B will be your answer. PQ by RT equal to OP by OR equal to OQ by OT. Next, number 14, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to. Are in proportion means you can write down here A by B is equal to C by D. So, componendo dividendo, that one will be here C plus D by C minus D. Okay, option D will be your answer. Now 15, the first four terms of an arithmetic progression whose first term is 4, common difference is minus 6. So your answer will be here minus 4, sorry 4, 4 minus 2 minus 8 and minus 14. Okay, as your first term 4, so 4 minus 6 it will be definitely minus 2, then minus 2 again minus 6, that one equally minus 8. So in this way you can find out the answer. Now next one, number 16, one root of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 5, that one equal to 0 is 7.3166. Then the root of the equation correct to four significant figure, and that will be here 7.317. Okay, 7.317, that will be your answer. Now next one, sum number 17, x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the two factors of the polynomial x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. If this polynomial is completely factorized, then the result will be, so first here as x plus 2 x plus 3, so here also x plus 2 x plus 3, here also x plus 2 x plus 3. Okay, so C and D will be your answer. So just check it. If x equal to 1 satisfy this equation, then definitely first one will be answer, and x equal to minus 1 if satisfy this equation, then that will be your answer. So here x equal to minus 1 will be satisfy this equation. So definitely D is your answer. Okay. Now 18. The sum of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression 2, 4, 6, 8 is, so here first A equal to 2, D equal to also 2. So here S20 equal to 10 because n by 2, then 2 into 2 is 4, and then here 19 into 2. So 38 plus 4 it's 42, and 42 into 10 420. So 420 is your answer. Now next, sum number 19. The solution set on the number line on the linear equation, here 2y minus 6 less than y plus 2 less than equal to 2y. So y plus 2 less than equal to 2y, then here it will be 2 less than equal to 2y minus y. So 2 less than equal to y. Okay, 2 less than equal to y. And from the first one here 2y minus 6 less than y plus 2. So y less than here it's 8. Okay, y less than here 8. So option B, that will be your answer. Okay, now next one, sum number 20. If x, y, z are in continuous proportion, y square plus z square is to x square plus y square is equal to, okay, equal to here z is to x. Option A will be your answer, because here x by y equal to y by z, that one equal to k. And then I hope you can find out the answer. Next one here 21, the market price of an article is 5,000. The shopkeeper give discount 10%. If the rate of GST is 12%, the amount paid by including GST, your answer will be here 5040. Then here 22, if A matrix, B matrix and C matrix, then 5A minus BC. So first here you have to multiply B into C, then subtract it from 5, and here your answer is option D. Okay, option D will be your answer. Next, number 23. In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium. DC is parallel to the AB. AB equal to 16. DC equal to 8. OD 5. OB y plus 3. OA 11. And OC equal to x minus 1 centimeter. So here first one. From the given figure, name the pair of similar triangles. So first one here, COD and AOB are the similar triangles. Number 2, here the corresponding proportion side with respect to the pair of similar, it will be here option A. Okay, first one option B, second one option A. Now the third one here, the ratio of the sides of the pair of similar triangles, it will be here 1 is to 2. That means again option B. And now 4 1, using the ratio of the sides of the pair of similar triangles, the value of x and y, it will be here 6.5 and 7. That means option C. Now 24, two cars X, Y are used 1 liter diesel to travel X kilometer and X plus 3 kilometer respectively. Both the cars covers a distance for 72 kilometer. Then here the number one will be here 72 by X. That means option C. Number two, the number of liters of diesel by car Y, it will be here 72 by X plus 3. That is the answer. Now next one, if car X and 4 liter of diesel more than Y in the journey, then it will be here 72 by X. That means option C, minus 72 by X plus 3, that one equal to 4. And the last one, the amount of diesel used by the car X, it will be here 12 liters. Okay, option B. Now the last one. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here number 25, Joseph has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at the rate of 8% per annum simple interest. If the maturity of Joseph 2000, then the monthly installment will be here 1000 only. That means here option C. Okay, option C, 1000. The total amount deposited in the bank, it's 24,000. Option B, the amount Joseph received on the maturity, it's 26,000. Option C. And the last one here, if the monthly installment is 100 and the rate of interest 8%, in how many months Joseph will receive 52 as the interest? Here it's 12. Okay.